we're going to use the styles in the line itself, right? We're going to use the styles in the line itself. That we cite as the inline element. Okay. Here, second one is what? Inline element. Inline elements. Okay. Examples of inline elements are like span. Then we can say that and strong. Then EM. Here are some of the inline elements. Means straight away you are not giving this span, strong, EM in the what HTML tag. Like we are giving H1 start SVIT logo. Like the same way you're not giving any starting with strong. Right. So these type of elements we are using in the block level elements. Okay, using in the block level elements. So I will show an example here. So I'll just change this to block. I will remove. I will change this to inline level. Then I will remove this style because we are using in the inline. So that is the reason I am removing the style from the head. Okay. So I will use the same content. Just I will do some modification. So what I will do here, I will use inline element. Like I will use like span. Okay. Span. I will use span. Okay. Then style equals what I will use. Will do border for this NBA. Okay, I want this NBA to be highlighted in my text. Okay, in this paragraph, I want to highlight this particular word NBA. Okay, so border I will use 2 pixel thickness, solid red I will use. Okay, this is what it's displaying, right? So I want to close this span. I want to close this inline. I am going to close this. Fine. So I will save this. Go to the browser. Here, refresh it. See, in this paragraph, right? In this paragraph, I am giving style for this word NBA. Okay, what I am giving the style, I want this NBA should be highlighted. How it is highlighted? I am giving like border, 2 pixels solid thick border. See here in this slide, I can highlight. Okay, I am highlighting this one, inline elements. Right. So if you want, you can give the you want to highlight more for this one, means you can use like one more inline element to use, that is strong. Or it will bold this data, right? Or slash save. You can check NBA. It is highlighting. It is bold. It is under one rectangle red. This is what inline element. These are this type of elements we can use in the okay. Like we're using paragraph. We are not able to use this one and stop that we can't use. Okay, in some other element we will inherit this. So that is what the inline element is. So by this, I say that most properties of inline. So here you can go to inline element. They do not form their own blocks, right? Do not form their own blocks, but instead are displayed within lines because we have to use in some other tags. Normal text in HTML document is inline. Inline elements line up to next another horizontally. These are some of the examples of inline element, right? Some of the examples of inline element. And we have 2 types of inline elements. We have 2 types of inline, that is replaced inline element and non-replaced. Okay, replaced and non-replaced. There are 2 types of inline element. One is replaced inline element and the other one is the non-replaced inline element. Okay, what is replaced inline element? Best example is image, hyperlinks, right? Image, hyperlinks. These are some of the, that is anchor tag A. anchor tag, image. These are the examples of what replace element. How means in the program, right? Directly we are not giving the image, we are giving the path of the image, right? So what we'll do while giving the image or hyperlinks, how we will give the image, right? So we'll use image source equals to the path we are giving here, like path we are giving like SVIT logo dot JPG, which is how we are giving, right, the image, right? So while displaying in the browser, whether it will display SVIT logo.jpg, no, right? It will displaying the image there. Okay, this content is replacing with some other content, right? If we use this particular code, this statement in our program, right? When compiler moves to this particular line, what it will do? SVIT logo.jpg means it will move to that particular folder and it will display that logo, that photo will, that image will display in the browser, not this content, right? So this content, this data is will be replaced with other, replaced with some other content. In the same way, anchor tag, right? Anchor tag, text reference, we are going to use and use some like uh, URL, right? Is the dot, whether it will display this particular data in the browser, no, right? So we're going to directly towards some other page, right? So this type of logo or this type of tags, right, we say it as what? Replaceable. It as replaceable. Then what is non-replaceable? Then what is non-replaceable? So non-replaceable, it is a combination of both inline and block element. Okay, I will show in a code. Okay, it's a combination of both. Like replaceable also we can use non-block element and inline element, both we can use in the same program. That is what a non-replaceable. So what I will do, I will just I'll do some modification in this code. So I will keep the same as it is, right? I will keep the same, but I will remove this line. Okay, this inline I will do. Right? This part. Let's remove this part. Right? So here I will use what? Not replaceable. Sorry, replaceable element I will use here. That is the reference equals dot Vidya dot basic dot name. Okay. We'll use SVIT label. I will close the anchor tag. Right. So now Okay. It got disconnected, right?
Yes, sir.
So where it has disconnected, I have to explain from beginning or what? We got the concept of non-replaceable, right? So I have written the code here. This one. So non-replaceable is basically
Sir,
the
screen
combination.
is not visible.
Wasting time. Okay, fine. Okay, it's visible right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and this is the code we have written. Uh, this is the code I have written here. I code this one. This is the code. Right. Yeah. This is the code for non-replaceable because here I will write it is a combination of block level and the replaceable. That is, it is non-replaceable. So here we can apply a separate style rule for block level, and we can apply style rule for different style rule for the replaceable element. So this we say it as a non-replaceable. The combination of both replaceable and the block level we say it as a what? Non-replaceable. Right. So if you click on this one, it will move towards the other page. It will directly move towards other page. Okay, this is what a normal flow is. Okay, this is what a normal flow is.